Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's Ujed and you know I love talking about making money in the crypto space. But today, we're diving into how you can start earning up to $3,500 per month without investing a single dime of your own money. You heard right, we're going to be using something called Telegram airdrop bots. These bots are going to do all the work, and you're going to be able to sit back, relax, and watch your crypto stacks grow higher and higher. Now I know what you're thinking. Ujed, this has to be too good to be true. But trust me on this. This is a strategy that not a lot of people are talking about, and it's only a matter of time before everyone catches on. So, let's lock in those gains before the general public hears about it. First up, let's talk about the top dog in the airdrop game. Literally, it's called Dogs. This bot is all about sniffing out the best airdrops in the crypto streets and bringing them right to your Telegram. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're brand new to the crypto space. Now the way Dogs works is pretty simple. You join their Telegram group using the link in the description down below, and then you just hang out. That's right, it's that easy. From time to time, Dogs will bark about new airdrop opportunities, and all you gotta do is follow a few simple instructions, like joining a Telegram channel or retweeting a post. That's how easy it is to earn free crypto, but the best part about Dogs is its reliability. This isn't some fly-by-night bot here to steal your data. Dogs has been around for a while and has a proven track record of delivering legitimate airdrop opportunities. Plus, with a rapidly growing community of over 100,000 users, you know you're in good paws. So if you're ready to start earning some serious crypto without lifting a finger, make sure to join the Dogs Telegram group down below. You won't regret it. Now if you're looking for a more interactive way to earn crypto airdrops, then Hamster Kombat is the bot for you. This one takes the airdrop game to a whole new level by introducing a fun and engaging gaming element. This is how it works. You join their Telegram group, also linked down below, and you create your own little hamster warrior. You then send your hamster into battle against other users' hamsters, and the more battles you win, the more rewards you earn. These rewards can be anything from crypto tokens to exclusive NFT airdrops. But that's not all. Hamster Kombat also has a referral program where you can earn even more rewards by inviting your friends to join the battle. And trust me, once your friends see how much crypto you're earning, they're going to be lining up to join your hamster army. Now you might be thinking, Ujed, this sounds like it might be a lot of work. But honestly, it's super simple and addictive. Plus, the potential rewards are definitely worth it. I mean, who wouldn't want to earn free crypto while watching adorable little hamsters duke it out? Chapter 3. Catizen. Become the king or queen of airdrops. Our next contender is all about sophistication and exclusivity. It's called Catizen, and it's like the VIP lounge of crypto airdrop bots. Catizen curates only the highest quality airdrops, often partnering with established and up-and-coming crypto projects. Now Catizen is a little bit different from the other bots we've talked about because it doesn't just hand out airdrops to anyone who joins. To be eligible for their exclusive airdrops, you need to complete certain tasks or hold a certain amount of their native Catizen token. Now I know what you're thinking. Wait, you said this was free, and this sounds like I have to do stuff. And you're right, but here's the beauty of it. The tasks are usually super simple, like following their social media accounts or completing a quick survey. And as for the Catizen token, you can actually earn it for free by participating in their regular airdrops and contests. So, if you're serious about maximizing your crypto earnings and want to be in the loop for some of the most promising projects in the space, definitely check out Catizen. Trust me, it's worth the extra effort. Chapter 4. Unlock a world of airdrops, explore and expand your crypto horizons. Now listen, we've covered 3 amazing crypto airdrop bots today, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's a whole world of bots out there just waiting to make you rich, and I encourage you to go out there and explore them all. But of course, it's important to do your own research and make sure you're only joining legitimate and trustworthy bots. Stick to those with a large following, positive reviews, and a proven track record. And remember, never give out your seed phrase or send crypto to anyone claiming to be from an airdrop bot. Now, some of my other favorite bots include 1. Bot A, a brief description of Bot A. 1. Bot B, a brief description of Bot B. 1. Bot C, a brief description of Bot C. 1. Bot D, a brief description of Bot D. I've included links to all of these in the description down below so you can easily find them. The key here is to diversify your airdrop portfolio. By joining multiple bots, you increase your chances of getting in on the next big airdrop and maximize your earning potential. So get out there, explore the world of crypto airdrop bots and start stacking those sats. Time to get paid, so there you have it. Start using these Telegram airdrop bots today and watch your crypto earnings grow. Remember, every dollar counts and these airdrops can add up quickly, especially as the value of these crypto projects grows over time. It's like getting free lottery tickets every single day. And the best part is, you can do this all from your phone, spending just a few minutes each day on these airdrop bots. No need to be a crypto expert, no need to invest thousands of dollars, just simple, easy, and consistent action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on earning in the crypto world. I'm always on the lookout for the best ways to grow your wealth, and I'm excited to share all my secrets with you. Until next time.